Breakthrough in Maharashtra's Maratha quota stir. Activist Manoj Jarange Patil has finally ended that hunger strike after the government gave key assurances to him and the community. Cabinet ministers met Jarange Patil on stage as well, promising full implementation of the Gazette and action on his demands. Minister Shivendra Raje Bhosle assured that the Satara Gazette, which also categorizes Marathas as Kunbis, will soon be rolled out. In a major win, the government issued a resolution on the Hyderabad Gazette, formally granting Marathas quota status in Marathwada and recognizing Marathas and Kunbis as the same community. Jarange Patil called this his victory and ended his protest at Azad Maidan after 120 hours. The government has now agreed to implement the Hyderabad Gazette, to issue Kunbi caste certificates, also to decide on the Satara Gazette within a month, and withdraw cases against Maratha protesters by September end, and compensate families for those who died during the agitation. Jarange had been demanding Kunbi certificates for all Marathas so the community can avail OBC quota benefits. His fast lasted 5 days from August 29 to September 2nd. In fact, the Bombay High Court had also ordered the Maharashtra government to clear out the Azad Maidan because it was leading to huge protests in Mumbai. But even before that could happen, it seems like the Maharashtra government has struck a deal with him.
इसमें जो प्रमुख मांग थी हैदराबाद गैजेटियर लागू करना, उसका जीआर आज निकाला गया है और उस जीआर के अनुसार गांव और कुल जो है उसमें किसी भी व्यक्ति का कुंबी प्रमाण पत्र हो तो उस आधार पर जो अर्जी करेगा कि वो एफिडेविट देगा कि मुझे कुंबी प्रमाण पत्र मिलना चाहिए, उसे एक त्रिसदस्यीय कमेटी गठित की गई हुई है। प्रमाण पत्र देने की पद्धति जो है बहुत ही सरल हो और सुलभ हो, इसका विशेष रूप से इसमें ध्यान रखा गया है।